Okay, so we got our new gear set in. You'll notice here, nice and tight. The old chain was slop, probably went in a 1/2 inch of slop, so that's all in there. And next we're going to put the cover on and then start putting this thing back together. I will tell you the set I used on this, the part number, and we'll go over here and have a look at that. The old fire going here. Here's the old gears, the old chain. Don't recommend this book. I bought the manual, the shop manual, the GM manual. It's the only way. So these are the gears that I use, Cloys, and there's the part number right there. Have to back up a bit. In case you can't read that, it's C3023K. And they fit just perfect. So, next up we'll get after the cover, and then that baby's next after that, and we'll have this thing going in no time. That's it for now.